Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel Yummy Healthy Lifestyle. Today we got a special tea for you, so stay excited. The first ingredient for our tea is ginger. Ginger has fat-burning properties. It helps increase your metabolism and thereby burn more fat. In addition to burning fat, ginger also helps you feel full longer. Ginger is a natural appetite suppressant and helps to lose weight. Belly fat, for example, is a health threat. It can increase the risk of diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, fatty liver, and certain types of cancer. For quick results in losing weight in a healthy way, drink ginger tea before every meal and 1 cup before bed. The metabolism works more slowly during sleep. With the ginger tea, you increase your metabolism while you sleep and burn more calories. Cut the ginger into small pieces and cook it together with cumin for 10 minutes in boiling water. And don't get me wrong, this is not only a recipe for me. I really enjoy a gulp of good shakes, smoothies, and healthy recipes. For me, it's the first step to paradise. This remedy tea here is different. Maybe it's strong and maybe it's really strong, but it's a real kick. You feel different after just 1 gulp, and this is something like natural medicine at its best. The tea is a perfect kick and it will immediately change your day. Cumin is a medical and aromatic plant that is native to the African, Arab, and Mediterranean regions. In the Roman Empire, cumin was not only used in the kitchen but also as a remedy, and was mainly cultivated as a remedy in Europe until the Middle Ages. Cumin aids digestion, helps with weight loss, and reduces the percentage of body fat. It is also good to drink this tea before the first meal, when the cumin will develop its best effect. Consuming ginger tea is a great way to stimulate the digestive process and digestive enzymes. Ginger prevents colds, strengthens the body defenses and the immune system. In addition, ginger stimulates the circulation and helps with low blood pressure. After the 10 minutes of boiling, let the tea cool down a little and then add a spoonful of honey. Honey contains anti-inflammatory enzymes, bioactive substances, and antioxidants that are healthy. The antioxidants can have positive effects on heart health and lower blood pressure. Then add the juice of a fresh organic lime. Limes contain high levels of antioxidants and vitamin C, which are good for immune system, weight loss, and ultimately your health. Finally, stir the drink again and pour it through a small sieve into a glass. Et voila! Your energy drink, whether for weight loss, better digestion, or lowering blood pressure, is ready to be enjoyed. I hope I was able to give you some information that you didn't have yet. It's one of my favorite teas. It works particularly well if you drink the tea lukewarm and not yet cold. Otherwise, it can also be a refreshment on warm summer days. I also hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a like or subscription there. Until the next video, have a good time. Ciao!